It is probably one of the most exciting days of my life. John and I have had the privilege of playing around with the all-new Ford Raptor. A lot's been said about it, John. John, people have taken this car, they've gone duning with it, they've gone rock crawling with it, they've gone shopping with it, but have they really had fun with it?
No, Ryan, they haven't. And today we're going to tick all those boxes and have loads of fun. And I think Ford built it to have fun. Not only, like you say, going to the malls, but to come and have fun off-road and enjoy the capabilities. And we're going to test whether that fun factor is all what that's made out to be.
I'm all about the smile, baby. I want to be smiling. I want to feel like I'm going to get out of this car and I'm energized and just, full of fun. Let me tell you something. You know what's better than having one Raptor, John?
Oh, Ryan, he's having two Raptors.
Oh! Love this color.
Stunning, eh?
John and I have just been saying that a lot's been done with these vehicles. It's been in the sand, it's been rock crawling. We want the fun factor. As an owner of a vehicle that oozes fun, Jan, how fun is this car?
Ryan, I'm so excited to be on this track. Honestly, I was on a 4x4 day on Saturday and the thing does everything amazingly.
Yeah.
We had a car in front of us, a buck in front of us, so they're demonstrating, diff locks front and back, one wheel in the air, other one in the air. This thing just goes through everything. The wheel's just on the ground everywhere with that suspension, no need for diff lock. So, I mean, this track, I can't wait to get going.
We need to thank Ford for building a 3-litre V6 twin turbo in this day and age, petrol.
Yeah.
I mean, we all need one of those in our lives. Look at the smile on our face.
Exactly.
And we haven't even started yet.
But for $1 million, a shade over $1 million, what are you going to buy that ticks all those boxes that we're talking about now? We're talking about going 4x4ing, taking the family, doing the school run, and then on the weekend, if you've got the gap, taking it out to the beautiful tracks of the Western Cape and just putting it through its paces. Now, both of these guys are experienced drivers. The question is, I'm going to make for a really good passenger, right? So I'm going to sit there and I hope that we can translate some of the fun factor across to you inside the all-new Raptor.
Accelerates off the line, so impressive, Ryan. It's got so much torque and the throttle response is just awesome, man.
So you've got it in manual mode, right?
Now we're off-road, as you can see.
A little bit of a hook left, right, whoa. Oh, can it drift, can it drift, can it drift? Oh yes it can, whoa! Jeez! That is beautiful! Holy smokes!
Got the S's, yeah.
Holy smokes! Oh jeez, holy smokes! John, don't kill me. I've got a wife and kids. I've got a wife and kids. You're
right
drifting. Holy moly! Shit! What? John!
Here's the jump.
Yeah! Woo! Whoa!
Okay, we got to do another one of those. What do you say?
Oh,
you're right. You're not saying much.
Got to.
That's amazing. It's so responsive, Ryan. I actually can't even talk. I'm having so much fun.
I can't talk.
It's so impressive.
Jeez, John.
I mean, Ryan, I wanted to say to you, this thing with the adaptive suspension, it's amazing. I mean, this is on tarmac.
It's incredible.
This thing is unreal. Just flick it, yeah.
Jeez!
How quickly over that jump does the car settle and balance?
Let's talk about that. The suspension.
It's unreal. Adaptive suspension.
Blowing.
It just absorbs every single bump. And I don't know if you noticed, Ryan, in mid-corner, when you put your foot back on the throttle, it just automatically picks up the power. It's so smooth with the pedal shift, it just responds so quickly. And I mean, I must say, with this 10-speed gearbox, it is proper, eh? It just shifts so awesomely. Okay, we've got to try this jump, I think, one more time. Just for the viewers to show them how well this
I saw your hand getting a bit of air there. Now let's see what we can... Oh, man.
It's flicking in
here.
It
is so fun.
Oh my gosh.
Mamma mia.
I mean, this is actually just way too much fun.
This is a bucky.
It's crazy.
It's a bucky.
We could just go around. I could go around for days driving this thing. And you know what, Ryan? What really impresses me with this bucky is you can literally drive it to the shopping mall, drop the kids off, and then on the weekends go play in the dunes, go to wine farms, go off-roading. It just does everything. It's so impressive. Okay, here we go, Ryan. Hold on.
Yes! Now that was insane.
Okay.
Okay.
We could go a little further and a little higher, but Ryan, I think your nerves are shot.
John, that was just next level. Mind blown. I cannot begin to explain to you how much fun was had today. Guys, you looked like little kids. On the racetrack.
Jan, you go first. I can't speak. It was awesome. But Jan, you go first.
Yeah, listen, I'm cautious. Obviously, it's my truck. I drive it every day. It's sort of like my baby. I'm looking after it nicely, but it's on the track. It's like, oh, I'm trying to explain around you, and I'm like, God, stop fast enough.
The suspension just absorbs and soaks up every bump and every dip so well. This bucky is phenomenal. I don't think I'm going to sleep tonight or for the next week. When are we coming back? When can I do this again?
I love it.
It was phenomenal.
Ladies and gents, it was a superb day out. Congratulations, Ford, on your mammoth. That is the Raptor. Like, subscribe, and join us for the latest in car mag content.